You're not supposed to be like shy to taste your spice. You do that.
Did you?
And then it is so good. I wish you could taste it.
Did you? Did you just put your finger in that thing? You just eat that thing,
You have to taste it. If you don't taste it, how you know? It's after you finish, you think it's gonna taste good. This is it. I can give you my word. It's gonna taste good. Perfect.
Good afternoon and welcome to season 3 of Spice Gal. My name is Alexandra Caesar and today I'm featuring my very beautiful friend Odette.
I'm Odette. I live in the metro area.
Yes.
In Kennesaw. I'm from Haiti. I've been living in Georgia for 20 years.
Ooh, 20, and I'm just getting to meet her.
20 years, yes.
Yeah.
And I'm here to cook the Poisson Gros Sel that I'm gonna be making today. So it's a fish cook, like you just steam it, but it's seasoned with the Creole season and like the spice, like the Haitian spice.
Okay.
And olive oil, and then you're gonna see the process. Cooking is a passion for me. I love to feed people.
And this is why you're here.
This is why I'm here.
This is why she's here. Guys, she showed up at my house 2 weeks ago with fresh food and fed my entire family. I mean, talking about scrumptious, that food was so good, y'all. You know what? I'm hungry already. So let's get it rolling.
Yes.
A whole lot of my favorite thing, but I see something that I don't recognize.
What is it, Alex?
Like I see that green thing right here. I'm not sure what this little thing right here, chinny ching thing right here.
This is ginger.
Oh, is it ginger?
It's ginger.
Okay.
It's ginger.
All right. This oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells like food. So what do you mix in this? I'm gonna let you go ahead.
You just like
say.
you shop, you got that.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
What do you put in it?
Garlic, onions.
Garlic, onions.
Parsley, thyme. And then I put this oil, like olive oil, oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really good when you marinate your meat with it. Yeah.
So this can marinate anything.
Anything.
Meat, fish,
and
poultry.
Do your rice with it.
And vegetable as well,
yeah.
Okay.
A lot of garlic, yeah.
And do you do it on site or do you keep it frozen for the whole week?
I do it, it can last a month, yeah. When I do a lot because I cook, I cater, and I always have my spice ready. I made it myself, yeah. All the love. With love.
Okay, all right. I've noticed this funky looking liquid. This is not gonna go in my stomach with it, is it?
Huh. The best thing ever.
What is that?
That's the salad sauce that I make, the vinaigrette.
You mean the salad dressing?
Salad dressing, yeah.
Oh, what's in it?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Mustard, either the Djon or the Maille. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Yes.
Can I look at it? I mean, she's so overprotective. She's like grabbing it, y'all.
Oh, yeah. So, you grabbed it. Yeah, I have to protect it.
And what is that white stuff right there?
That's the vinegar.
Oh, this vinegar.
Yeah. Salt and pepper.
You know what? It does smell like salad dressing.
It's really good.
It is really good?
Very.
Okay. I see pepper. I see paprika. Coconut oil.
Yeah, it is coconut oil.
And this is, we already spoke about that.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Very protective of that as well. Because you made it.
Yes.
Because it's yours.
It's mine. It's mine. Yeah.
And then this one is?
That's the Mrs. Dash.
Mrs. Dash, just regular Mrs. Dash.
It's good, yeah.
Okay.
And then that's a matuk.
Matuk, okay.
And then this is
turmeric.
The turmeric.
Turmeric, and this one is?
That's a Creole season.
Creole season.
Yeah, that's all I use.
And you have the bouquet.
The bouquet.
You know, I was under the impression
Isn't it beautiful? It's pretty, right?
Yeah, I thought it was for your clothes or something like that.
You can do that too.
Right, but it's for the food.
Like food.
It's for the food.
It's for the food.
I don't know how to do it, y'all. If you guys do this as well, drop a comment. It's called food bouquet. What's the name of it? A food bouquet. It's for the flavor of whatever you're cooking. It's like sage.
No, it's not sage. It's thyme.
Thyme. Okay. Thyme.
And parsley.
Okay. Yeah. And then we have the fish.
have the fish. This is red snapper fillet.
Red snapper fillet.
Yeah.
This is, and you
already
actually
washed, clean nicely. I usually do the whole red snapper.
Okay.
But I didn't want to scare you with the head. You don't have to look at the eyes. If you don't look, there will be no contact.
Yeah. If you guys cook the whole fish like she does, drop a comment and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.
This is the rice with the Djon, okay?
What is
Djon is the mushroom, the black mushroom in Haiti.
Okay.
This is it. And,
this is the mushroom.
The mushroom. This is gold now. Here now.
It's
to
what?
get this from Haiti, it is gold.
So that means it's
not
hard to
easy
get.
to find.
It does smell fresh.
Oh yes,
yes.
A distinctive taste.
Yes. So this is the rice she's going to mix with this mushroom, this dry mushroom, and it's gonna end up like a black rice. And it's actually gonna taste like it because I love black rice. Do you, Jojo? I love it.
And you have the lima beans.
Okay.
And then the mushroom, I already boiled some.
It's ready.
And strained it.
Okay. I love your outfit today, by the way.
Thank you.
And I love your earrings, and I love your hairdo.
Thank you.
Although she was throwing some shade at me because I was waving my hair a bit, so it's not my
Just
fault.
be careful not to hit me.
Not to. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna grab the chairs and
Chairs.
then. Yeah, so we can sit, Odette.
You can sit. I am cooking. Who does that?
Okay,
My
we're
goodness.
gonna proceed and cook without the chairs as Odette is dictating me right now. Let's go. Remember, wash your hands always. Well, you know what, Odette? I am so happy you're not a paper towel fanatic. We have a guest that used one paper towel.
No,
So over and over again.
Paper towel.
Good.
Paper towel.
Good. I'll take the little abuse because you don't have the paper towel problem. Okay. Oh, did you just leave the paper towel right here?
Yeah, this should go so. Wait, mine leave it right there. It's okay.
This is.
What happened? What happened?
We're gonna proceed with the fish.
What did I do?
Let's go. Let's go. Oh,
Okay.
you're gonna you like using your fingers?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I wash my hands.
No
yeah.
gloves. Okay.
Okay, no gloves, no. We're just gonna add first some Creole season. I'm gonna put the famous Haitian spice. This does miracle.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you use the same spoon to dig for everything?
Yeah, they all go in the same place.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah. The food doesn't have any allergy.
She's throwing that shade too.
No, I'm not. I am not, because it's one spice, for the fish. That's it. It's okay. We just squeeze a little lime.
So you added your own spice, which is the what do you call it again?
Épice.
Épice. She calls it épice.
It is épice.
Okay, two sounds. Épice.
Yes, that's it.
All right,
That's
good.
it, yeah.
And then she added Creole season and
some Mrs. Dash,
turmeric.
some turmeric,
and this is the
matuk,
which
the
is
pepper.
kind of like a hot pepper, caliente, jalapeno,
Yes,
something like that.
yes. And I put some olive oil. You scare me the way you're looking at it. It's like I'm doing something bad.
No.
You go like,
I'm just no, don't mind me. I'm just looking at like
okay.
So it's gonna marinate together.
Marinate together. Yeah.
I got you. You know what, y'all? It smells like food.
Yeah.
Although she's giving me some weird
It smells so good.
side-eye bombastic.
And then you're not supposed to be like shy to taste your spice. You don't have.
Did you?
And then it is so good. You wanna taste it?
No, ma'am.
Please do.
We're gonna proceed to the oven. Okay, we will not do
This
that.
is how you know your fish gonna come out tasting good.
I got you. This is
so you're taking my word for it, right?
This is her spice, not mine. Let's go to the stove. Odette, why are you holding a paper towel in your hand? We're gonna put that in the trash.
This is clean.
We're gonna go ahead.
It's a comfort for me.
No. Oh my God, this is like deja vu crazy.
I'm just gonna add some onion.
Okay.
It's just you're making a bed.
A bed.
You're making a bed for the fish.
A nice oily bed.
Yes.
And onion.
Like onion bed.
Onion oily bed.
Oily bed. Yeah.
I got you.
Smells good, right?
Smells like onions.
Does it smell good?
Yes, absolutely. And this is the thyme. What is that?
This is the thyme.
Thyme.
Yeah.
On top of the onion.
Yes. That's why we were making a bed. You know?
It's a bed.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
And then we're going to proceed and do the rice.
The
So
rice,
I
yeah.
clocked you. You started this 10 minutes ago. And you are a chef. So let's see how long it takes for the rice so we can show the audience how they can duplicate what you're showing us today. And remember,
Can I
share.
hold that paper towel?
No, you
Can
may
I
not
hold it,
hold
please?
that.
It's comfort for me, please. I keep wiping. Can I hold it, please? Thank you. Thank you.
This is insane.
Yeah, it is.
But okay. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like the way Odette cooks, or if you want information for her to cater your event, drop your information. One of us will reach out to you.
Yes.
And this is the broth. You actually
broth.
use
Yes,
the
yes,
broth
yes.
of the Djon
Yes.
or black mushroom. Are we gonna add some of your special spice?
Yeah, yes.
Some of Claudette's special spice, which will be available soon at Whole Food.
Yes.
Hopefully, right?
Of
We're gonna
course,
claim
yes.
it. There you go. How
I'm
much
taking
of
a
it?
leap of faith.
How much of it? That's it? More? A little bit more. Oh my God! I know you guys cannot smell it. It smells so good. It smells so
Yes.
good. Yes.
Heaven.
That's a lot of
I
beans.
always like to add a little bit onion.
Really?
Yes, shallot. And
That's a lot of beans.
yeah. I'm not putting everything.
All of it?
No. I'm not putting everything.
Well, you left like 3 beans. That's all of it.
It's okay.
You might as well.
Yeah. That's it. Excusez-moi, madame.
So more oil. That's a lot of coconut oil.
Little bit of
Creole season. I can help with stirring. Do you stir it?
yes.
Okay, this is ready.
It's not. This has to be cooked. Don't put it down.
Don't put it down?
Put
Okay.
it like this.
Okay.
Yes. It has to be cooked. Get
Okay.
from yeah. I turn fast when I'm cooking. It makes me nervous to have somebody behind me.
So
I don't usually measure my rice.
you don't usually measure
Yeah,
rice.
but you know, for the audience, we have about 2 cups,
2 cups of rice.
and it was 2 cups of beans.
Looks like it's burning.
No, it's not.
So 2 cups of dry rice, 2 cups of lima beans, and 4 cups of the black mushroom broth. And we're going to let it simmer. Is that correct?
Yes.
We'll be right back. Welcome back. Today, I had my very beautiful friend, Odette. She came to showcase her true spice. Boy, she put me to work. When the camera turned off, I got demoted from show host to boss boy. But hey, it's okay. Look at all the food that you cooked today. I mean, I have to tell you, Odette, this show today actually was the most food we ever cooked.
Yeah.
And everything smells so good. You ready?
I would like to serve you first. I always serve
absolutely.
my guests first.
Serve me.
Yes.
Please serve.
We're
Okay.
gonna start with the salad. This
That's
is
a
my
beautiful looking
famous
salad.
set. Yeah, it's a endive.
And what now?
Endive. It's a
Oh, endive,
yeah,
okay.
uh-huh. And
That's good.
it.
I'll take some rice, please.
cannot touch the food.
Oh, they cannot touch each other.
No.
It smells scrumptious, delicious, very appetizing, and I have not even touched it yet. This is her true spice. This is how she eats every single day. You ready?
You count down.
1, 2, 3. You know what? 5-star ain't got nothing on you. Girl, this is the bum right here. This is very flavorful. I know I always say it on my show, but this is very flavorful and not too salty, because I was worrying about all the spices she was just throwing in there, here and there, here and there. I don't understand how she used the same spice and everything tastes differently. The fish tastes like a fish, and the black mushroom rice tastes like you could actually taste the mushroom. The same mushroom I was smelling, I can taste it in the rice, but it has a sweet flavor to it. Let's go for the salad. Because she's so adamant about that salad.
Yes.
Okay. It's very light, but at the same time, it's very present. This is succulent. Can you tell the audience, when did you discover you had a passion for cooking? At what age?
I was 7 years old. In Haiti. Yes. You know, back in the day, you'd play with dolls. There was no computer, nothing like that. I was always doing the cooking. And I said, when I grow up, that's all I'm gonna do. Cook.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
this is where it started.
Age.
Yeah.
And I could tell, like, by watching you, you were kind of like so meticulous and everything had to be perfect, because these are chef attributes. You know, they want everything to look good and taste good, and presentation. You were big on presentation. We had like a cat fight about the presentation because she wanted to use her trays. And I was like, no. But she had her way. So I could tell you're very passionate about this. So, you know, in some cultures, your energy, they believe the energy flows into the food. I could feel the love in the way you were just pushing me away. It was for a bigger purpose, for the food to taste better. So I walked away. So
you pick up on that?
So
you did?
I sure did. You do a lot of events in Atlanta.
Yes, I do.
So how would they reach you?
I'm on Facebook, Catering by Odette, and the website is www.cateringbyodette.com, and IG also. And my number is 770-312-9342. I do all kind of events like a candlelight dinner, wedding.
So no event is too small or too big for you?
Not too big, yes.
All budget?
Yes, all budget. But what I love about it, it's the appreciation that I have for my customer.
Yeah.
Like I treat them like family.
Aww.
As soon as I meet them, they like family.
She has such good energy.
And I can believe you pick up on that. I was saying, she's gonna put the spice on my rice. Oh my God, I have to put it there.
The spice on your rice?
Yes,
okay.
But you know, you let me put the second.
Yeah, you came today, you came with good energy. You know, you showcased the way you cook, but I could pick up on your passion. You know, I also could pick up on your bossiness. You demoted me, it's okay. But your presentation was awesome. Today in Spice Gal, this was the most fanciest, I would say the most fancy dishes we ever had, and I'm so thankful you're here today, my beautiful friend Odette. But I have a gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
thank you for having me.
Thank you. You ready?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so this is what I'm giving you today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Now I don't have to hide anything, right? I can just whip a piece and keep it right there.
I don't know what it is with my guest at the paper towel.
Yeah.
So she gets a free paper towel.
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you.
I was just kidding. We love you. Again, thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you would like to be sitting here instead of Odette, which I love her food, you better be cooking good food. Reach out to us. One of us will definitely call you back. Again, this is Spice Gal. My show is dope. We're out.
Cheers! Are we friends again?
That looks like a bad Christmas tree that's gone wrong right there.
No.